struggle with English? Does it make you crazy? Do versus make. Which one should we use? That's a great question. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Do versus make. Do versus make. Do make yourself comfortable. Oh, I use both of them at the same time. I know. This is a question that is often asked. When should I use do and when should I use make? Well, I did a little research. Past tense of do is did. Okay, so I'm going to share my notes with you. Are you ready? Do equals action, tasks. Try saying that quickly. Tasks and responsibilities. Make equals create, build, produce, and it brings results. So, what should we do first? Should we do make or should we do? Well, alphabetically, D comes before M. So, do. Do pay attention. You might want to get some notes. I don't know. Or I may have this typed up in the notes for you or direct you to my blog. Do. We use do for tasks, work, and responsibilities. Do your work. I have so much work to do. Hey, did the kids do their homework? You better do your homework. I have a job to do. I have to, what do you do for work? Well, I'm a teacher. Okay. What kind of business are you doing? I'd like to do business with you, if you wouldn't mind. Do a job, do business. Here's an example. I do a lot of work every day. Do you enjoy it? Why, yes, I do. What about you? What do you do? Now, you can use do. There's more notes. Do for general, undefined activities. Well, you better do something. What are we going to do? I don't know. We could do anything, or we could do nothing. Bill wants to do something after work. I like to do things after work. What do you like to do after work? Do. We can use do for something I do not like to do. We do for cleaning and daily tasks. Do you think I do a lot of cleaning? No, I do not. That's a lot of do, Sarah. I know. All right, you can do the dishes, do laundry, do chores. We do laundry every Sunday. That's when we do it. That's when we do our laundry. We do the dishes every night. Which chore do you like to do the most? Do you like to do dishes? Do you like to do laundry? Well, maybe you prefer to make. Make, yeah. Let's try to make sense of do versus make. Are you ready? We use make for creating something. We make food. I make breakfast, I make dinner, I make lunch. I could make a cake. Oh, I could also make a pie. Though I don't know how to really make a pie. But I do make coffee every morning. I make coffee every morning. What about you? Do you make coffee? Or do you make tea? Or do you not make anything? What do you do? Do you like to make dinner? Do you like to make lunch? Do you like to make brunch? Or, wait, we can use make for producing a result. Here's a result. Make money. I'm going to get a job to make money. Don't make a mistake. Check your work. Make a decision. I have to make a decision. Should I keep the make a mistake sentence in the video, or should I take it out? What should I do? I can't make up my mind. Bill made a big decision. The past tense of make is made. Or we could say Bill makes big decisions every day because Bill is an important guy. How about for communication, sounds, and plans? What? I have to make a call. Hello? Yes. Can you help me out with do versus make? Or make a plan. I am trying to make a lesson plan about do versus make. Oh, make a suggestion. May I make a suggestion? Have fun while learning English. It's going to be great. Here's an example sentence. Let's make a plan for our trip. I'm going to make a plan for you and I to go somewhere. Where should we go? What kind of plans would you like to make? Can you make a suggestion for where we should go? Can you make a plan on how we should get there? Do you need to make a call and see if you can come? Make for communication, sounds, and plans. Oh, we're going to make some noise. Now, we don't say do a mistake. No. We say make a mistake. We don't say make homework. No. We say do homework. And we don't do a decision. We make a decision. Got it? Is it making your head ache? Do versus make. Let's have some quick quiz. Are you ready? Do a fill in the blank. Are you ready? I'm going to write it down on the board. You fill in the blank. Are you ready? It's like you and I are working together. You need to. Are you ready? You need to do or make your homework. Think about it. Did you say it? You need to do. Yes. High five. High five. Do your homework. Okay. Next one. Let's do or make a plan. Yes. Let's. Did you say do? No. It's make. Let's make a plan. Okay. Let's try another one. One more. I have to the laundry. Did you say do? Excellent again, friend. I have to do the laundry. Okay? Do versus make. Why does English make everything oh so tricky? I don't know, but now you know the difference between do and make. I hope. Can you make a sentence or two with do and with make? You can? Well, leave it in the comments. Make me happy. Do the homework. All right? Have a great day, friends. Peace. Come on, you know you want to do it. Make a promise. Practice your English. Peace, friends.